Hello, this is me again. I am in the kitchen and this is the continuation. If you would have seen this poor old Singer sewing machine cabinet, it had been consumed by termites. Now I happen to replace the rotten parts with some new plywood. Yay! Yay for me. Yeah. I just cut the same outline as with the original, and luckily I happen to save the original hardwood top. So the wood, I took it all out and then glued it onto some quarter inch thickness of marine plywood, as you could see here. Yeah, using wood glue, of course. Then I planed it with my manually with my leaf planer, and also this front part right here, it's the same. Now it's as tough as a rock, hard as a rock. And the cover part, this goes right on top of the machine because it's the cover. Yeah, I'm still waiting for the hinges because I ordered them online, so I'm just gonna put them right there. And I was lucky, I was able to save the beautiful hardwood, so I don't need to put veneer on top of it because it's really pretty. Looks very vintage. Just a little sanding and a little stain. So this is the 1/4 inch marine plywood at the back, so it makes it very sturdy back end. I think it would be more than enough to hold it for years to come. So basically that's it.